Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon Athena, an interactive query service in Amazon Web Services. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how Amazon Athena works in a typical application environment. Let's get started. Amazon Athena is an interactive query service to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Athena is a serverless service and the infrastructure is managed by the AWS. In addition, there is no need for extract, transform, and load or ETL jobs to prepare your data for analysis. You just point to your data in Amazon S3, define the schema, and start querying using standard SQL. Everything is simple and easy to use. Let's talk about the benefits of Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena offers the following benefits for an organization: instant startup with serverless experience, interactive analytics with data anywhere, flexible choice of language, and simple and predictable pricing. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of Amazon Athena. Instant startup with serverless experience. You get streamlined near-instant startup of SQL or Apache Spark analytics workloads with serverless experience. Interactive analytics with data anywhere. You can build interactive, advanced analytics applications using data on premises in your data lake or in cloud stores. Flexible choice of language. You have flexibility with support for choice of language, open data formats, open source frameworks, and BI and ML tool integration. Simple and predictable pricing. Amazon Athena is simple and the pricing is predictable. You pay based on the queries you run or compute used. Now let's talk about the use cases for Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers: run queries on S3, on premises, or on other clouds, prepare data for ML models, build distributed big data reconciliation engines, and perform multi-cloud analytics. Let's explain each of these use cases for Amazon Athena. Run queries on S3, on premises, or on other clouds. You can submit a single SQL query to analyze data in relational, non-relational, object, and custom data sources. The data sources can be running on Amazon S3, on premises, or in multi-cloud environments. Prepare data for ML models. Amazon Athena enables you to use ML models in SQL queries or Python. You can simplify complex tasks such as anomaly detection, customer cohort analysis, and sales predictions. Build distributed big data reconciliation engines. You can deploy a reconciliation tool with an engine built for the cloud. It enables you to validate vast amounts of data effectively at scale. Perform multi-cloud analytics. Amazon Athena supports multi-cloud analytics. For example, query Azure Synapse Analytics data and visualize the results with Amazon QuickSight. Excellent. Now let's see how Amazon Athena works in a typical application environment. Amazon Athena is a serverless, interactive analytics service. It is built on open source frameworks supporting open table and file formats. Athena provides a simplified, flexible way to analyze petabytes of data where it lives. You can analyze data or build applications using SQL or Python. The data sources can be Amazon S3 data lake and other 30 data sources, including on-premises data sources or other clouds. Athena is built on open-source Trino and Presto engines and Apache Spark frameworks. However, there is no provisioning or configuration effort required. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of Amazon Athena, interaction with data sources, and integration with other tools. 3 sections display in the diagram from left to right. The first section doesn't have a title but shows a list of data sources. The second section is titled Amazon Athena and shows the key features of Amazon Athena. The third section has 2 titles with ML tools and BI and analytics applications. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how Amazon Athena is integrated and works in an application environment. In conclusion, use Amazon Athena to analyze petabyte-scale data where it lives with ease and flexibility. Use standard SQL or Python to run your queries. No infrastructure management and ETL jobs are required. That's all about Amazon Athena. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.